Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott Front Coil-over Strut for various GM SUVs, GMT K2XX, with Magneride Z95. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process for your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Make sure to avoid warning lights. Qualified mechanics must perform a trim height relearn procedure. Start by lifting the vehicle and then remove the applicable front wheel. Next, unroot and disconnect the electrical connection. Now remove the 3 top mount nuts as well as the 2 bottom mount bolts. Remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start the installation by installing the assembled shock onto the vehicle. Then reinstall the 2 bottom mount bolts. Next, reinstall the 3 top mount nuts and reroute and connect the electrical connection. Now reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the front coilover strut for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.